Hey everybody, so this is going to be part 2 of the tools that I had gotten from Home Depot that they messed up on, and they ended up sending me some tools. These tools are for sale, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I did a previous video, which was the video before this one. I told you I would do the video on the item that didn't show up. It did show up a little bit ago. This is the 2863-22, which is the 1/2-inch 1-key kit, 2-battery kit. It comes with the 1/2-inch 1-key impact, comes with 2 5-amp-hour batteries and a standard charger and this hard case. It was not shipped for whatever reason. It was not shipped in a box. You know, there's damage all over the box. This item is for sale. Let me box over. Here's a close-up of it. 2863-22. 1/2-inch square with friction ring, fastening torque 1,000 foot-pounds, nut busting torque 1,400 foot-pounds, drive control 4-mode customizable, RPM 0 to 1,750, IPM 0 to 2,100. RPM would be revolutions per minute, and IPM is impacts per minute. Length is 8.4 inches and weight 7.6 inches, or weight to 7.6 pounds. This is what it comes with: the tool, 2 5.0s, standard charger in the case. I might have a buyer for this already. I'm just gonna open it and show you guys, because you know half the box is either missing or they come like this. I have no idea. This is not the first hard cased item I've gotten where there was no box on this side, but just show you guys what's in it, because yeah, I could slide it out. You know, it's not like it's taped or secured or anything. But the whole thing is that I had done 2 orders. First order showed up, second order got lost. It supposedly from Home Depot, never even left the warehouse. And the problem was it never left the warehouse, and they're like, well, you need to make another order number, and they refunded me on a gift card and everything else. And the tools, I was picked them up, but nobody wanted them for who they were for, so I figured I'd just resell them. So it does have 2 batteries. They're both at 1. I did check this one earlier, it's at 1. There's the little ticket on the thing. Standard charger, because the standard charger has the triangle lights. The rapid charger has rapid chargers have these shorter, narrower lights. So it is a standard charger. Comes with the instructions and everything in it. I got a message earlier, spoke to a guy, said I had this kit coming. He's like, oh yeah, I would totally buy the kit from you. Just let me know when it gets here. I sent him a message earlier, and he actually responded a few minutes ago and told me he'll take it. So this one's already sold, but I figured I would do the video on it. What happened with Home Depot was I made 2 orders. One massive order you guys are going to be seeing the video shortly for. The other order was duplicates, and they lost that order for some reason. You know, the warehouse couldn't find the order number, or they said it was shipped, but it never actually did ship, and it irritated me, and I spent weeks trying to get a hold of Home Depot and find out what was going on. They kept telling me they were investigating, and you know, finally I got a hold of somebody, and I was on the phone for 4.5 hours, and then they couldn't help me, but they kept me on the phone for 4.5 hours, and then they finally spoke to a specialist manager. They transferred me to the specialist manager, and because of all the hassle and the problems, the specialist manager gave me 50% off everything. So this kit, it was supposed to be the 1/2" 1-key bare tool with a free battery, and that item was out of stock. And so she upgraded me to this one, which is the 1/2" 1-key with 2 batteries, a charger, and a hard case. And she gave me 50% off this kit because of my issues. And then she gave me 50% off of this grinder, which is the 7 and 9" grinder. She gave me 50% off of the 7" variable speed polisher. She gave me 50% off each of these lights. And there was a 3/4 bare tool here that already sold, and one of the batteries sold as well. So I got all of these. There was 6 of these 5 amp-hour batteries. I got 6 of them, 50% off each. I got 2 high output 8.0s for 50% off. All of these lights for 50% off, and then I got this Rover I decided to keep for 50% off, and I decided to keep one of these straight die grinders and one of these right angle die grinders, which these 2 right here were $2.99 for these 2, and I got 50% off because I bought them in a bundle, so it was like $146 for these 2. So you basically got one of these for free in essence. I have 2 of the straights, and I have 3. There's 2 of the right angles right here, and then there's 1 of the right angles right here. So I kept those, but I got 50% off of all of these things. So I figured I'd just resell them, you know, get some of my money back, and you know, go from there. Since the people I bought the tools for didn't want them. They already purchased them, and before I can give them to them, so you know what can you do? And then there'll be upcoming videos on these: the Metabo table saw and the DeWalt Flex Volt miter saw. Take you outside real quick, show you guys what's going on outside. Yeah, I asked, my employees needed those tools, and then they told me that they had already bought them and there was no reason for me to give it to them. So I decided to just resell them. These are some of the plants that are growing out here in the garden. I think so, a couple of these are beans, and I think there might be a couple avocados or something else in here. I'm not too sure what they are. My wife planted them. I figured I'd show you guys. Yeah, the gentleman that bought the 3/4 bare tool and the battery from me, he's more likely going to be buying the grinder as well as that 1/2" kit, and a couple lights. He might be buying a couple batteries from me. But you know, that was the the employees didn't need them because I bought them, and it took them 2 months to get me the tools, so they must have went out and already bought them before I got them. So that's what's going on. If this doesn't sell, or you know, the guy changes his mind, you guys are more than welcome to contact me on Facebook or Facebook Marketplace, where I have it listed, or email me. My email is on YouTube, and let me know what you guys are interested in. Hopefully this one will be sold today. I already got a message from him, and this one will probably be sold with it, and 2 of these lights, because he wanted these 2 lights. So you know, there might be only thing left for me to sell is the polisher, the variable speed fuel polisher, and a bunch of batteries, and maybe 2 lights, 3 lights, because, you know, I'll ask him if he wants this one too. I don't know if he will, but figured to give you guys an update. I told you there would be a part 2 specifically for this kit. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronic affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links down below. Appreciate you guys sticking by, hanging out with me on the video. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Me or somebody else will try to answer it. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!